Okey Dokeys!
Hello crafters, welcome back to Okey Dokeys. Today we're diving into the essential skill of counting rounds, stitches, and rows. Once you master this, your crochet projects will always turn out perfect. Let's get started. Each crochet stitch looks like a little V shape at the top of your work. To count your stitches, start from your last stitch and count each V all the way to the first one. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to count again to make sure everything adds up. Rows are like layers of cake. To count them, start at the bottom of your project and count each horizontal layer up to where you're currently working. A handy tip is to place stitch markers every few rows to keep track, especially in larger projects. For projects in the round, such as hats or amigurumi, you'll see your work forms a spiral. Begin counting from the very center, moving outward, counting each circular row. It's helpful to place a stitch marker at the start of each new round to keep your place. Remember, counting gets easier with practice. Don't be discouraged if it feels tricky at first. Just keep at it and soon you'll be counting like a pro. At Okey Dokeys, we're here to support you every stitch of the way. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips from Okey Dokeys. Happy crocheting and see you in the next video.